Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need sudo rights and a terminal open. Start now. First, note your current IP, DNS, and which manager is active so you can restore if needed. Once you have that, switch to root with sudo I and stop network manager when using netplin, or bring down netplin managed interfaces so changes apply cleanly. Doing this prevents transient conflicts. Make sure you type commands exactly and keep a separate device or SSH session in case the primary link drops. Next, back up all config files so you can revert. Then overwrite your netplin YAML with a minimal DHCP example or restore a default network manager conf, depending on your stack. Once saved, run netplin generate and sudo netplin apply, or restart network manager with sudo systemctl restart network manager. Service. Also flush IP addresses and DNS caches. Sudo IP flush dev followed by systemd resolve flush caches. So finally, verify your network. Use IP and nmcli device status to confirm interfaces are up. Run ping 8 and ping Google. Com to test routing and DNS. If netplin try is available, use it to preview changes safely. If things fail, inspect logs with journoctl network manager or systemd journal entries, revert the backups you made, and then reboot to ensure services restart cleanly. A key troubleshooting tip. If SSH drops, use local access or console to avoid locking yourself out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.